Start with the magic circle. And chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 5 double crochets in this circle. Once you're done, pull up this yarn to close the gap. Now to make the turning chain, chain 2 and insert a hook in the first chain. This is the first stitch and pull up a loop. Now turn your work, and from this round onwards you'll be working in between the stitches. Now insert your hook in between this first 2 stitches, this one, and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's a turning chain made and 1 double crochet made. With this method you will have straight edges. Next round you already made 1 double crochet. 1 more double crochet in the same stitch, that is in between the whole stitch. That's 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Now in the next stitch, that is the third stitch, you will make 3 double crochets. Now mark the middle stitch, that is the third stitch, with a stitch marker. This is the stitch where we will be making the increase in the next round. Now 2 double crochets each in the remaining stitches. Now make the turning chain, chain 2. Insert hook in the first stitch and pull up a loop. Turn your work. This is the first stitch. Insert and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. Next round you have already made 1 double crochet. 1 double crochet in each stitch until you reach the mark stitch. You have reached the mark stitch. Here you will make 3 double crochets. Mark the new corner, the middle stitch, that is the third stitch, and now continue with 1 double crochet in each of the remaining stitches. Make the turning chain, chain 2, the first stitch, turn your work, yarn over and pull up a loop to the first stitch, pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's the turning chain made. Now keep repeating this round until you reach the size which you need. You've already made 1 double crochet, so 1 double crochet in each and every stitch until this mark stitch, that is the corner. You have reached the corner. In the corner stitch you will make 3 double crochets. mark the new corner and continue with 1 double crochet in each and every stitch until the end. Make the turning chain. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.